Hello friends, welcome to Digital Manzoor. So are you looking to level up your Google Ads game in 2025? Yeah. So LinkedIn is the packed industry experts sharing the latest insights, strategies, operations, right? So in this video, I will introduce you to key figures of to follow the LinkedIn for the Google Ads insights in 2025. Let's start move on. Okay. So why follow the Google Ads experts on LinkedIn? See, LinkedIn is a more than just a networking platform. It's a goldmine for the real-time updates, case studies, and actionable tips from the professionals. So who live in the breath and Google AdWords. Yeah, by following the right people, you will stay ahead of trends, get practical advice. You can use the right way. Yeah. So moving to the next slide, top Google ad experts to follow and identify. So first one here is Jenny Marvin. She is a Google Ads product liaison at Google. So Jenny shares official updates, features, release, and answers community questions directly. So recently she often post the breaks down the new Google AdWords features and explain how they impact the advertisers. Okay. So right side I have attached the screenshot. Hope you can able to see. You can go and check under her profile and you can follow and connect. The next one is the Frederick Value. I think I missed the screenshot. Okay. So he's a co-founder of Optimizer, former Google AdWords. So why should we follow him? Is Frederick post deep dive into the automation script. He's optimized the strategies, everything. Recently he posted the case study of the using the how AI using for the campaign management. The next expert is Puran Virchi. She is senior content solutions at LinkedIn, former Microsoft ad. So Purna offers cross-platform insights, creative ad strategies, and thought leadership. So recently she posted tips and adds the cooperating audience targeting and or must read. So she has written the book as well, High Impact Content Marketing. You can check and go through her profile. The next profile is Mark Erwin. So he's the director of a paid media at Search Lab Digital. So Mark shares data-driven insight industry in trends and practical PPC advices. So he often posts about latest Google ad algorithm changes and why they mean for the advertisers. The next profile is Nava Hopkins. So again, she's a PPC thought leadership at Optimism. Nova provides actionable tips, troubleshooting guides, and answers to common PPC questions. Nava breakdowns for the campaign structure and bidding, strategies, and incredible helpful for that. Okay. So these are the high profiles, guys, you need to follow. So how to engage with these, experts? Don't just follow, engage, comment on their post, ask the questions, share your own experience. Many of these experts are active in discussions and happy to help them. Okay. The bonus tip is set a LinkedIn notifications to these profiles so you can miss any update. You never miss any update. Okay. Join relevant LinkedIn groups like PPC Chart or Google Ads Professional for even more insights. Okay. So that's just today round up for the top Google ad expert to follow the LinkedIn in 2025. So who do you follow for PPC inspiration? Drop your recommendation in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit bell for more digital marketing tips and updates. Okay. See you in next video. Thank you.